In this video, I want to talk about if you can buy Dividend on eToro. Now, just to quickly answer the question, yes, you can get dividends on eToro, and the simplest way to do this is to head over to Discover, go to Stocks, and just find any stocks that pays dividends. Now, a quick way to check this is to open up any stock and head over to Financials, and if you see the dividend yield, if it says 0, it's not paying any dividends. But I'll just quickly search for, let's just say Coca-Cola, since I know that they pay dividends. So head over there, financial, and you can see they pay 2.91% dividend. So what you just want to do is you simply just want to press trade, and then you just want to buy. Now to get the dividends, all you need to do is just own shares of the stock. So in this case, as long as you just trade and you buy some of the stock, you're now gonna be eligible for dividends. So that is basically how it works. And you can do this. You can search for anything. If you want to do NVIDIA, you can open up NVIDIA financials and you can check their dividend yields. So that's how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.